Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduce myself. My name is Tama Litang Pratama. I'm from class T4A. Name 2331407071111. And today, Pak Johan, I want to explain the from the week 4 is the cryptography. And today I want to explain from first is cryptography. Cryptography is a technique to securing data and by making undurable by the admin or by the other user. And the purpose of cryptography is to hide confidential information from others access while the data is in storage. So this encryption and decryption. Encryption symmetric. The key to encrypt and the decrypt is the same. And asymmetric is the key to encrypt and decrypt is not the same. And we use the hash. Hash is changing data into another durable form. Next is the cryptography matrix. In the cryptography matrix is the to use the key to encode the data and change information to its original form. Example: Advanced Encryption Standard or AES, Data Encryption Standard Dash, Triple Dash. First, I want to explain the ES. ES is the Advanced Encryption Standard symmetric algorithm used to encrypt data in block and is widely used in online communication and transaction. If the RSA is the asymmetric cryptography that is often used for data encryption and digital signature. These are the advance is the data cannot decrypt, but the disadvantage is the hash result will be the same as the same input data. Next is cryptography asymmetrics. Cryptography asymmetrics is the using public and private key pairs, and public key to use by anyone who will communicate, and private key is only owned by the communication destination. And use the encryption use for description, example RSA and elliptic of ACC. Now is from hash. Hash is algorithm that will change input data into an undurable code with a fixed length. The goal is to encrypt unique data as a representation of the original data. Example MD5, SHA-1, SHA-2, CRC2, but the advanced data cannot be decrypted. This advanced, the hash result will be the same as the same input data. So this is the example of hash. This is MMG encrypt and decrypt. This salt. Next is salt. Salt maybe the random unique to into data before you hash can be at beginning, middle, or the end of the data. And because there is random unique value in the data, the hash result will also be unique, different even though two input data is the same. So it's an implementation of cryptography. This is a database, operating system, another application, protocol communication. So the secure network protocol to secure data combination on computer network that use the HTTP protocol. Use SSL, need the certification SSL, HTTPS use the port 440, HTTP use port 18. Secure network protocol to secure data combination on computer network that use the HTTP protocol. Next is steganography. Steganography is uh, the science or technique of hiding secret message in stored media, such as image, audio, or video without significant change the visual or audio appearance of the media. In a stenography, secret messages are an existing media file and appear like the original file. Okay, next I want to explain more about the function and use. The function or use explain the use of cryptography. For example, communication security, secret email, text message, or the function. Another function is the online transaction security. Is maybe it's from the bank or the application Shopee or Tokopedia, and another transaction security. The third function I know is the digital signature to ensure that document or data retrieved have not been manipulated or the hacking. So I want to show my example from encryption data or coding. This is before I I show you the database. I with the database. This is database tutorial login. In here we have the ID user, username, password, and tanggal daftar. In here I want to show you my coding. This from the I take my the example template, but I changed the any for my example this form index we know this login page. So this is the login page, index page. We use the record function php. So this is the index php, or we know is the login. We have the username, password, login, and then have the icon register here. Oh, sorry. Okay, next is the from the register page, and register page is the same as the index php or login php in here, but the different maybe from the this button and this button. If you click this, is the name is register. In this login, if the login it is login, this is of register. So first, I think you need to register first from the this page. But I will to but I think when to explain this function first. In function first, we have the connection. This from localhost root and the DB tutorial login. The name from the DB is tutorial login. So, okay, next. This from the register. First register, we have the username, password, and this the function of encryption. If we use the encryption, we use the a password. Okay, but if you don't need the encryption, we don't need the a password, and it's not the safe. So this is the to insert to DB, and this is the connection insert to user and password, and this is from the to encryption to this password and password default, and this will look like this. It's my example. The password will be the encryption, and this is the if else. If the header to location the index, else is the echo alert register gagal. For example, we use this. before I make the username admin and password is admin too. So if we admin but the password we else adding anything, this will be localhost says the password salah. Again, this is the from the encryption the to register. Next is the from the login. This is if the post the login, username is from username, password is from password, and this little different to check DB and username check DB if the username you before you register is not in the admin DB, it can you will be the violet. So before you to login, you first register the username and password, and if the username password you will be in the login will be successfully. Next is the pure input user, nothing encryption the password, not the 2 dB. Next to insert 2 dB, check dB to hitung pw on password now to check the password to the db. So we have the if else and if else to if else. If the it's no zero, so if in here the password verification password, and we have the password and password now and the location too. If the successfully you will do a home PHP. In the home PHP we have the berhasil login. Yes, successfully login. So if you the password is wrong, I think you will the back to register PHP to register again before you login. And this is the first if else, and if else this, and you will if you wrong, you will the alert the login is gagal atau login is gagal. So we will practice from this. Okay, before you can name the register same as with the I do register before. If you this admin, it's cannot because before I do name with admin. So you different username. Maybe I will take my name Damar. So the password is thing yes is Damar. So you can register and the login if you after you register Damar, username Damar and password Damar, so you will the password is the Damar, don't anything. If you I think I will the wrong password. Okay, the notice is the password is wrong. Okay, but my if you so after okay sorry, after you the wrong the password from the login, you will change to back to register. Okay, you will the register again, but before I do the register Damar and the password is Damar, the login is the will you change to home PHP or the login is successfully. Okay, and I think that encryption and in the DB, okay sorry, in the DB the username Damar, the password is the encryption. Okay, so the admin don't know what is the password, only user uh, who make the username Damar and password Damar only know. So this is the encryption data. You can save the data in your maybe your web or maybe your application. So this is the example what I say encryption from encryption data. So, I think from encryption, or I think we say this cryptography attack. I think cryptography attack may be informed brute force attack. The attacker tries to all possible key until they fin. Maybe you can from the local host. This from local host. Maybe you will from the network the password. The user who hack you can read by the password. So this brute force attack, the attackers try to all possible case until they find the right one. This attack is generally more effective, I think. So the next is the cryptanalysis. Cryptanalysis is the technique for breaking a cryptography algorithm. We not know the key, so they don't know the web of the key. Such a frequency analysis for simple substitution algorithm. I think the next example from the cryptography attacks is from man in the middle or midterm. The attacker position himself between the sender and the receiver to seal or manipulate the data being transmitted. Okay, so what attack mitigation? Attack mitigation longs maybe you're from the longer key lengths using a longer key to prevent brute force attack. For example, from the RSA with a 2048 bit key or AS with a 2056 bit key is more secure than a smaller key size. So use a proven secure algorithm, I think from the SSL or TLS for communication security. So using the SSL or TLS, I think maybe from the safe from the for the client is for HTTPS, from the HTTPS, not the HTTP. Okay, this is not safe because S is meaning the secure. So if you use the digital signature or certificate to ensure data integrations and authentication of parties involved, you will use the HTTPS, not the HTTP. Periodic recognition key used to in communication. I think should be changed periodically to reduce the risk of key. So this is have the disability, not the. I think advanced is more dangerous, but this is for example. So I think this is my presentation about the cryptography from the uh, week for next 4 week. So thank you, thank you for the presentation from the cryptography and Pak Johan Erika. Maybe I have the fault or anything what I say is fault. Sorry and thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.